let's look into the first component of the IAC topology. So that's the deployment and provisioning of the infrastructure. So provisioning is the act of instantiating the resources that make up the infrastructure. So they can be of the platform as a service. In short, we say PaaS, and serverless resource types such as a web app, Azure function, so or event hub, but also the entire network part that is managed, such as VNets, subnets, routing tables, Azure firewalls. So all this terminology was discussed and practically demonstrated using AWS, Amazon Web Services. So kindly get back to the networking module. That's the third module of intuitive DevOps for you course, and watch that video to get the more understanding about subnets and routing tables. So for virtual machine resources, the provisioning step only creates or updates the VM cloud resource but not its content. So there are different provisioning tools such as Terraform. Basically, Terraform is provisional tool and it's automation tool also. So this is widely used for the cloud. Specifically, it is meant for the cloud related activities. So the ARM template, AWS cloud training, the Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, and also Google Cloud Deployment Manager, or of course there are many more. So, but it is difficult to maintain. It's difficult to maintain and learn and use all together. So that's the reason, and obviously it's very difficult to mention all the things and do the practical exercises in all the tools and learn all the tools in this course. So it's obviously out of scope of this course. So that's the reason we will look at in detail. So the use of Terraform to provide an infrastructure, and the use of Ansible to configure the infrastructure.